What's up guys, in this tutorial we'll be guiding you on how to fix Valorant black screen issues at launch. Now this is a common issue amongst different apps and we're going to be showing you in principle what you'll need to do. So we will be using another application to demonstrate what you can do with your Valorant app. So first thing you'll need to do is to click on the start button and search for the Valorant app. Once you search for it, you find it, you're going to right click on it. In our case, for this demonstration, we will be using this game right here. So you're going to go ahead in your search once you find Valorant, right click on it, and then click on open file location. Now once you get to the file location, right click on it and click on properties. Then here under properties, you're going to go to the compatibility tab. Then you're going to switch on compatibility mode. By clicking on this checkbox, this will be turned on. Then you can switch to Windows 8 or Windows 7 in order to play the game. So simply click on Windows 8 for example, and then click apply, then OK, and then try again to restart your Valorant app. This should fix the problem, and if it does, do let us know in the comments section below. If you've tried it and it doesn't work, you could try to restart your computer and try the steps again. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next one.